Next is the physical properties of carboxylic acid. The first one is the physical state. The lower aliphatic acids such as formic acid, acetic acid and propanic acids are colorless liquids having sharp irritating smell. The acid from carbon number 4 to 9 are colorless, oily liquid having somewhat unpleasant smell. But the higher member are colorless, waxy solid having practical no smell. The aromatic acid too exists as a colorless solid. So it is all about the physical state of carboxylic acids. Next is the solubility. The aliphatic acid up to carbon number 4 are soluble in water, but the solubility fall off rapidly with increasing molecular weight, and higher acids are practically insoluble in water. Amongst the aromatic acids, such as benzoic acid is only sparingly soluble in water. However, the carboxylic acid are generally soluble in solvent like ether, alcohol and benzene. The water solubility of lower aliphatic acid is due to their formation of hydrogen bond with water molecule in aqueous solution. In higher acid, the size of non-polar alkyl group become large and the possibility of hydrogen bond formation with water decrease. Next is the boiling point. The carboxylic acid form intermolecular hydrogen bond and therefore exist in form of associate molecule. As such, carboxylic acid have high boiling point. The boiling point are considerably higher than those of alcohols. For example, the boiling point of acetic acid, that is 391 Kelvin, while in case of N-propyl alcohol it is 370 Kelvin, and this is due to, in case of carboxylic acid, the OH group which is more polarized because of presence of electron withdrawing carbonyl group in the adjacent position. Therefore, the carboxylic acid form stronger hydrogen bond. The second factor, the negatively polarized oxygen of carbonyl group can also form hydrogen bond with the positively polarized hydrogen of other molecule, and we can say that the carboxylic acid exists as a dimer. So it is shown in the picture. In this case, one molecule that is bonded to second molecule and there is a 2 hydrogen bond, so it will form the dimers. So these are the factors beyond the high boiling point of the carboxylic acids. Next is the melting points. The melting point of aliphatic carboxylic acid do not follow a regular pattern with increase in molecular size. It is observed that for acid contains up to 10 carbon atoms, the melting point of each containing even number of carbon atoms are higher than those of immediately lower as well as immediately higher homologous containing odd number of carbon atoms. This is because acid containing even number of carbon atoms have carboxylic and terminal methyl group on the opposite side of zigzag carbon chain. As a result, they fit in closely together in the crystal structure. So this one is the acid with even number of carbon, in which the methyl group, and acid that is on the opposite side. Similarly, on other hand, the acid having odd number of carbon atom having carboxylic and methyl group on the same side of zigzag chain. As a result, they do not fit so well in the crystal. So it is the carboxylic acid with odd number having on the same side. So in other words, we can say that the carboxylic acid with even number of carbon, they will fit better in their crystal structure. So they will having high melting point, while the carboxylic acid will having odd number of carbon atom do not fit better in crystal lattice and have lower melting points. So these are the melting and boiling point of some carboxylic acids. So it is very much clear in case of boiling point. The boiling point increased as increase of molecular weight. But in case of melting point, the carboxylic acid having even number of carbon have higher melting point as comparison to the carboxylic acid having odd number of carbon atoms. So it is all about the physical properties of carboxylic acids.